Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video on this product here, which is WAXSOL. It's an ear wax remover, I guess. So I just wanted to give you my experience and also let you know if this does or doesn't work. So my situation was also, if you hear dogs in the background, I don't know if you can see, there's one of my dogs. They're just like playing on the ground together. So my situation was, I am super into podcasts at the moment. So I was listening to them at night and falling asleep with AirPods in, which is what I think caused my earwax buildup issue. I'm assuming the AirPod like pushing down into my ear maybe created my ear blockage. So I literally couldn't hear out of one ear. I went to the chemist and this is the product that they recommended. Now you're meant to basically fill the whole dropper up. This whole, I just spilt it. I didn't realize that there was still stuff in there. Okay. Well, I don't know what it is. Anyway, so you're meant to fill the whole dropper up, put it in your ear, and then put like a cotton ball in the end of it, and then basically fall asleep, and so it sits there for a few hours. So I did that for a couple of days, and to be honest, my ear just felt super full, because what this is meant to do is like soften the wax. And then, which I didn't realize at the time, is you're meant to use this for a few days and then go to the doctor. When I spoke to the chemist, she just said you just use this, but never mentioned anything about getting your ear flushed out. So my advice is definitely use this and then go to the doctor. So yeah, as I said, my ear felt really full, but it was still super blocked. So I went to the doctor, she looked in my ear and basically said, I don't think like you have a lot of earwax, to be honest. I don't really understand why you would have lost hearing, but she did irrigate my ears regardless. She used this syringe method where you basically just put like the syringe in and then just flushed water out. And she was like, it was funny because she was saying, I really don't think that there's any earwax like build up. And then she was like, oh, and then went silent. And she was like, there it is. And a big piece of wax came out. I didn't see it because, just a disclaimer, if you have this done, you may feel super dizzy because of the sensation of the water going into your ear. So yeah, I was super dizzy and couldn't be like, can I see it? Because I would have loved to have seen what came out. So from there, she said, leave it for a few days. And then if you need to come back to get the rest out, then come back and we'll redo it. So I think it was about 3 days after I went back to get my ear flushed out again. And again, there was another big piece, which the nurse actually showed me what came out of my ear. It was insane. Like, it was literally like a black piece of earwax. Like, I think my ear had got infected, and it was basically like the infected, almost moldy looking earwax that came out. I know this is super gross, but I just want to be real with you. So does this work? Yes, it really does work. But as I said, my advice, use this for a few days and then go and get your ear flushed out, because this softens everything, makes it easier for everything to come out. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.